Quality all-brick ranch home on spring-fed Ackley Lake, featuring 123 feet of sandy frontage. This well-built home offers an open floor plan with exceptional lake views throughout. Upon entry, you're welcomed by an abundance of natural light streaming through a triple-pane slider in the spacious living room. Highlights include a stunning gas fireplace with stone surround, crown molding, and direct access to a meticulously crafted stone patio overlooking the water. A convenient pocket office features a built-in desk and shelving, perfect for working from home. The kitchen showcases an abundance of hickory cabinetry and granite countertops. The stainless steel appliances include double ovens. The eat-up bar is ideal for casual dining, while the formal dining room offers generous space, beautiful wood floors, and triple-pane sliders leading to the patio and lake. All 3 bedrooms are generously sized and feature custom built-in wood closets and drawers. 2 full bathrooms and a dedicated laundry area complete this thoughtfully designed layout. The heated garage is a standout, offering a workbench, cabinetry, and a utility sink. Outside, enjoy beautifully maintained perennial gardens, a private patio, and lake living at its finest from your own dock. Ackley Lake is a 65-acre all-sports lake with tunnel access to Maple Lake. Conveniently located near wineries, shopping, dining, parks, and golf.